Can you feel me? In the hush of the rooftop. I'm tucked into quiet corners. Waiting to be noticed. I'm in the stillness between sips. I move through time, rooted in flavor. I'm in the rooms meant to be lived in. I'm in the rooftop, where cocktails linger and conversations stretch. You won't find me everywhere. You feel it. In the space between words. But when you leave, you'll take it with you. French by heritage, Californian by light.